This little portable vacuum, mini vacuum, is amazing and is so helpful for my household. For cleaning out the cars. I have a 4-year-old, and 3 dogs and a mini horse, which makes things hard. It's tiny. It has this little cover over it. It's this big. It's rechargeable. There's a lithium-ion battery. The battery life is great. It has these 3 bars here to show it. You know, the battery life. You just turn it on. It's a little loud because it is powerful. Super lightweight. I might get more of these, buy them myself, and just keep one in the car and one at home and stuff. It's great for cleaning little crevices. You just turn it on. I mean, it's a powerful little thing. It's crazy. I will demonstrate that. It comes with the charger, a standard USB-C connection, and even the wall part, which a lot of these don't. A lot of them don't come with the adapter at all. It comes with this little extension, which granted, this part's a little not the best quality as far as an extension goes. But yeah, this just goes into here. Extension works. It's not super flexible, and it's kind of a weird setup. So that's one of the downsides, but it does work. It does work better without it. It also comes with this attachment. It also comes with this attachment, which you can put in the extension. It'll lock into place, and it has this little clip, so it can have the brush if you're trying to detail your car and not scratch anything, or just this crevice tool. See, just some normal dirt all around here under my desk. Gets it all right up. Where it's really helpful is in baseboards and corners. Like, it's hard to set, but it'll just clean all your baseboards, all the corners right here. This is sand, this fake sand stuff. Every parent knows all about it. Let's see how well it works on this stuff that gets everywhere and it's just an atrocious nightmare. Every parent's nightmare, the car seat. You're getting all these tight little crevices over here. Right into your seats, all the little crevices. Doesn't take long, it's easy, you can keep this in the car. While you're waiting, drop off or pick up or whatever stuff you end up waiting, you can just do a quick little go over to keep your car a little better with this thing. I love it. So just to wrap up, this thing has a great battery life. It has, you know, it's a smaller filter. You can see it picked up a lot of dirt in here. You can see everything in there. It's easy to recharge. It's lightweight. The cons are it's a little loud, and the extension's a little on the cheap side. But overall, it's a great value, and for the price, you can't beat this little mini vacuum. It's a lithium-ion battery, so it's good quality and super powerful. And one of the best parts, my 4-year-old, since it's this big, he'll play with it and actually clean stuff up, which is awesome. Anytime you see your kid out there using a vacuum, you're like, cool, yeah, good toy, have fun. Hope this video helps you with your buying experience.